What's up guys, this is Zachary, and today we're going to be shooting this guy that I made in school with a BB gun. So, let's go to the target. Okay. Actually, I think first we should get a little look at him before we kill him. There we go. Now we'll look up. Okay, we're going to be shooting him with these lead pellets that hopefully won't bounce back at us. So let's go. Okay, if you just stand right now, and then you stand there. Which one's this? Luke, 1 to 10.
Why?
That's how many times I'm gonna pump it.
10. I want to see this thing go flying. And if this is a fail, the video could be like called fail shot or something.
Yeah, Jay, stand back. Jay, stand back. Okay, you stand back some too. You can zoom in.
Cool. Cameraman.
Let's zoom in. Let's zoom out. Okay, stand back some more.
I'm scared of the red ants. Okay. Luke, watch out for the red ants.
Great.
Where? Me.
Okay, I'm just gonna do whenever I shoot.
I'm just gonna watch it over here. Now there's no red ants.
Safety on? Alright.
Let's go.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's go see what happened to it.
Yeah, let's
Oh
go
my
see.
gosh.
Oh, he fell in pieces. His head came off.
Wait.
The first thing I saw was his head come off. Where's his arm?
Let's just get a view of this.
Oh, where's half his arm? Half his arm is gone.
This is a arm.
Oh, that's like a
Where's
clean
half of
cut
his
the
arm?
head.
Half
Two
of his arm
legs.
is gone. Half of his arm disappeared.
His body. And then let's see if we can put him back together. Okay.
We might be missing pieces.
Yes, we are.
Yeah,
we
we're
got the legs.
Wait, no.
Hey, do you want to look for the pieces real
We
quick?
got the
Oh,
head.
here's one piece.
Oops,
See,
sorry.
let's lay him on the ground so he will stay together.
I don't know what this part is for. Is that like an arm?
This is right here.
Okay. Is there another piece like that?
Oh, then this piece goes right here.
Okay, then there might
And
be
then
some other piece.
there's an entire arm missing.
Yeah, there's a whole entire arm.
Uh-huh.
That whole entire arm, like
So-
cut it off. Like clean.
Personally, I want to go for another shot just for the head. So let's do it.
Try to aim for the head.
It's really hard to hit the head.
Yeah, the head
Yes,
gets
I
higher.
Here, watch this. Hey, camera, look at me. I'm gonna place that right there. Put that right there. Hey, can you get off the target, please?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna shoot that guy.
Oh, great. That's good. That dude is not having a good day at all, Zach. You're torturing him to death. Well, he is dead right now. This is the dude's face. Run! Ah! Come on, dude, fire! Alright, ready? Aim. Okay? Aim for him.
Remember when I told you not to talk that much? Okay.
Oh,
That hit.
I saw him clean off. Cleaned off.
Right now, Joey's in the shot.
That's actually a pretty good shot.
Yeah, it was.
Half of his head is gone.
Missing.
Half of his head
Did it go like
is
far?
back here. Yeah. Half of his head went back here.
I was here. Camera, point over there for a second. I was standing at that tire and I just got a tiny headshot.
Oh, there's
Pretty bad.
his head.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, it's like a ball.
Half of his face came off.
Yeah, here he is. He got his little bun.
What do you say for me
He
finding
has like a thing. Where's the? Does he have? Does he need the other part? There's like
Scarf?
another shoulder, skull scarf
Luke,
thing.
do you think I'll be able to shoot his head again?
Yeah, baby.
Shut. Everyone back over there.
Wait, next time this is that's gonna be hard. Shooting this.
Daisy, stop.
Try to shoot off his. Try to shoot that.
Over there, Daisy. Down.
I want to see what happens.
Okay,
let's go, boys.
I'm just gonna place it down.
I
Away from
feel
everything
like
else.
that's super far away. Yeah? I feel like that's super far away when I go in my.
It's gonna be hard to hit.
Yeah, it looks like it's super far away. When I'm over here by you guys, it looks like it's super far from me.
I don't think they can see the head.
Yeah, I can really see the head. Can you?
Joey, stand back.
Can you see the head?
I don't think they can see it on this.
Yeah, I don't know. It's fine. Oh,
Miss.
oh, you missed. Reload. Let's see, that was a fail shot. Good. This time, aim. Were you aiming the other time?
I kind of want to do this. No, to one of my YouTube videos.
I'm gonna get a little
Aim
closer.
for like the spot.
Look
like,
close
aim
because
for
this
the
could be
middle.
harder. Because
Aim
it's a
for
tiny,
the
tiny
middle.
head.
Aim for the middle part.
Miss.
Yes.
Are you trying to get closer each time, apparently?
Yeah.
Yes. Camera, get a little bit closer.
Get a little bit more closer. So we're gonna move up to here. Okay, dude, you have to get this
Actually,
close.
camera, back up some.
Move. Yeah, back
Kid,
up.
back up some.
Kid.
We're both.
Meanie, I'm brother.
What the?
You're missing.
You bad shot.
No, I did that really good back here.
Yeah, you did that better than the last time. I don't know why it shouldn't have worked that much.
This is going to be the final shot. If I mess this up.
All humanity dies.
Yes.
No, just get like this close, Zach. Get this close. Get this close.
Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, now you're
Stand
gonna
back.
have better range.
Camera.
You're gonna have better range. Back up, dude. I fire.
Oh, it hit.
You split his head. Oh my.
Is there pieces missing?
You like split his.
Try and put it back together.
Split it.
Okay. Who wants to do this to this fella?
I do.
Okay. You get to keep him.
Okay.
Can I have
Which means you gotta carry it in.
It'd be fun if you had more subscribers.
Oh,
So I give it away?
Yeah.
So recording?
Made his head.
Yeah.
That's made his head.
So Joey, you want to be in the video?
Zach, look, you see intact?
Joey, you want to be in the
Zach,
video?
You see intact?
Stand over here.
What?
Stand over here.
What? So am I be in the video?
Yeah, you want to be in the video?
Okay.
Okay, now turn around. Look straight at the camera. Okay.
So,
Cameraman, you want to be in video?
no. Next time we
Okay.
should shoot
I'm
it.
gonna have
Shoot it.
You're in video.
I'm in the video too.
What?
Yeah,
looks
creepy. Shoot next.
What do I want? What do you want me to shoot next?
I kind of want to shoot my mask if I'm done with it. Like, you know that mask I made at school?
Yes.
That clay one? That looks sick. I kind of want to shoot that. It'd be funny if we put it on a fake
I
head.
want
We'll put
similar
it on
parts of
somebody's
this
head.
guy. Luke, I want similar parts of this guy. Luke, I'll tell you what parts I
Well,
want.
goodbye.